Now class third B. Class third B. Subject GK. Date 17/10/2020, and we are studying the changes we observe. Lesson 42. Changes we observe. Changes we observe. Changes we observe. And here page number 58. Page number 58. Changes we observe. We see around us so many materials are there, and so many changes takes place in the nature. So we are going to study now over page number 58. So we know materials around us are of mainly three kinds, namely solids, liquids and gases. At certain times, in different conditions, materials may change in nature. At certain time, in different conditions, materials may change in nature. Write the correct words in the blanks to complete the following statements about such changes. Now see, first, when gold is heated in a furnace, what happens? The question is, what happens when gold is heated in a furnace? So answer will be, it melts. So the first, when gold is heated in a furnace, it melts. So first you have to write about the melts. First line, melts. When gold is heated in a furnace, it melts. Now second, you see this activity. Boiling the water causes it to turn into. What happens when water is heated? What happens when water is heated? So answer will be, it changes into steam. So here answer will be steam. Answer will be steam. So boiling the water causes it to turn into steam. Now see next, question number third. When hot melted wax is kept to cool down, it becomes. What happens when hot melted wax is kept to cool down? What happens? It becomes solid. So your answer will be solid. It becomes solid. So third will be solid. And fourth you see, when we boil an egg, the liquid inside becomes. What happens when we boil an egg? Then liquid inside the egg becomes soft and solid. So you have to write here soft and solid. Fourth, soft and solid. So fourth, you have to write soft and solid. Now we can write fifth. Fifth, boiling an egg for a long time makes it. What happens when an egg is boiled for a long time? So boiling an egg for a long time makes it hard. Makes it hard. And six, when a hard chocolate bar is left out on a warm summer day, it turns into liquid. So when a bar chocolate is kept outside, it becomes the liquid. You know that it happens during the mainly it happens during the during the summer time. So it is liquids turn into liquid. And seven, if you leave a paint can open for a long time, the paint become, what happens, it become, initially paint is liquid, and when it is open for a long time it become solid. Solid. And eight, when an ice cube is taken out of the freezer and kept outside, it melts. It melts. So once again we can see the what happens when gold is heated in a furnace. So answer will be it melts. It melts and become liquid. And second, boiling the egg causes it to turn into steam. So this may ask in this such way as what happens when water is boiled? What happens when water is boiled? So answer will be it turns into steam. It turns into steam as I written here. Now third, you see what happens when hot melted wax is kept to cool down, it becomes solid. It becomes solid. Now next fourth, what happens when we boil an egg? The liquid inside becomes soft and solid. Now next, fifth, you see what happens when we boil an egg for a long time? So it becomes hard. It becomes hard. It is written in such way as boiling an egg for a long time makes it hard. So we can write in the question part as what happens when egg is boiled. So you can boiled for a long time. So it becomes hard. Now six, when a hard chocolate bar is left out on a warm summer days, it turns into liquid. It turns into liquid. And seventh, you see, if you leave a paint can open for a long time, the paint becomes solid. Now next, what happens when an ice cube is taken out of the freezer and kept outside? It melts. So in this way we can complete this lesson. Thank you. That's for today.